Hello folks, in today's 1-minute Power BI video we will learn how to make a table. We will make a table which will look like this, so let's begin. Step 1, go to the right side of the canvas, select the table icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Step 2, select date then drag and drop date to columns, remove quarter and days from the data. Select region then drag and drop region to columns, select revenue then drag and drop revenue to columns. Select sales then drag and drop sales to columns. Now our data is organized in the table. Next, we will try to change the look of this table. Go to Format Your Visual and select Style Presets. You will get various styles. I will select Condensed. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and check out other interesting Power BI videos.